Friends, if you personally ask me, I came through express entry, and this is one of the most economical and the fastest way to come to Canada if you have all the right things what Canada requires. So many people have a question on comprehensive ranking system, how it works. Okay, so basically Canada uses this comprehensive ranking system to rank each skilled worker candidate who want to immigrate to Canada through the express entry. I was also in that pool. Now the CRS score, is based on criteria such as age, education, language, skill, and work. Now it's very comprehensive. So most of Canada's new immigrant, if you look at the statistics on the government website, are economic class skilled worker since 2015. Earlier, data were a little different. So Canada has used this express entry system as main way through which they can manage the skilled worker application. And express entry is very dynamic. When I came, it was very easy. Only the highest scoring skilled worker candidates gets invited by the Canada government to immigrate to Canada, and the scores were relatively low when I came in. Now it's above the roof. So in order to be successful, each of the candidates are ranked based on this comprehensive ranking system. And basically it evaluates each of the candidate, and if you have spouse or partner, that also gets added. And based on their human capital, Canada looks at candidates age, education, English and French skills, work experience, amongst other criteria. So the Canadian government then provides candidate with CRS score based on their human capital characteristics. Okay, so usually the CRS draw happens every fortnight, and it's publicly available. The express entry draw invitation and the scores are on government website. Again, all these links are made available to you. You can see the video on how you can check your CRS score. Now, what steps can I take to begin the express entry process? If you have this question, first step is to visit the Canada's official government website, canada.ca, and you can check the express entry. Now, as a step two, you can check your eligibility for free. This CRS score calculator, which is available on the website, you can go and check where you stand. And if you are eligible, you can then go and check the CRS scores over past few months or a year, and that way you'll get to know and identify how you can improve your CRS score. Now once all these things are done, step 5 is to create your profile, again at Canada government's website. And at this stage you must have completed your language test. You should have obtained a education credential assessment. Now I'll talk about this more in detail in upcoming videos, but you need to have these two for you to create your profile. So I hope you find this video valuable. If you have any questions, do use the comment section. I will direct you to the government website where you can go and find more information on your own. Okay, so that you are well prepared. If you're going with any of the immigration consultant, make sure they are licensed, and you ask them the right question. So use this as an information, and I hope this helps you as a tool for you to go and find all details on the government website. Thank you.